Updating your Whoop battery life is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, ensure your Whoop is fully charged and paired with your mobile device. First, open the Whoop app on your mobile device and navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, select the option labeled Device Settings. Next, select the option labeled Update Firmware. The Whoop app will then check for any available updates and guide you through the update process. It is essential to keep your Whoop firmware up to date, as this will ensure you have access to the latest features and improvements, including optimized battery life. During the update process, keep your Whoop close to your mobile device and ensure it remains charged. The update process typically takes a few minutes to complete. Once the update is complete, your Whoop will restart, and you can begin using it as normal. To further extend your Whoop battery life, it is recommended to turn off unnecessary features such as GPS and Bluetooth when not in use. Regularly cleaning your Whoop and its charging port can also help to maintain optimal battery performance. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can keep your Whoop up to date and ensure you get the most out of its battery life.